Welcome to Animals Kids channel. Hello, little friends. Waving hand. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to the farm, where we'll meet lots of amazing farm animals. Cow, pig, rooster, ewe. Let's go and see who's waiting for us. Horse runs very fast. Baby horse is called a foal. Horse eat grass and hay. Horse can drink lots of water. Pig is a farm animal. Baby pig is called a piglet. Pig like to stay cool in mud. Pig are very clever animals. A sheep gives us wool. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat grass and plants. Sheep are domestic animals. Cow stomach has 4 parts. Baby cows are called calves. Cows can walk up to 5 miles a day. Dairy cows give us milk. Rooster is a male chicken. Baby chickens are called chicks. Rooster crow loudly, cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster wake up early in the day. Chicken is a bird that lives on farms. Baby chicken is called a chick. Chicken eat grains, seeds, and worms. Chicken lay eggs. Turkey have big, beautiful feathers. Male turkeys, called toms, like to spread their feathers out and show them off when they want to look cool. Even though turkey are big, they can fly short distances. Even though they're called guinea pig, they're not pigs at all. They are small rodents, more like hamsters or mice. Guinea pig love to eat fresh veggies, especially carrots, lettuce, and peppers. Dogs are known as man's best friend. They love to be with their humans and are very loyal and friendly. Dogs love to play. They enjoy fetch, running around. Donkey is a strong animal. Baby donkey is called a foal. Donkey can carry heavy loads. Donkey says hee-haw. Cats sleep a lot, up to 16 hours a day. They love to curl up in cozy spots and take naps. When cats are happy, they purr. It's a soft, gentle sound that shows they're feeling good. Goat is a farm animal. Baby goat is called a kid. Goat eat grass, leaves, and plants. Goat give us milk. Rabbit is a small, furry animal. Baby rabbit is called a kit or bunny. Rabbit eat carrots, grass, and vegetables. Rabbit have delicate fur that is soft. Welcome to our amazing wildlife adventure. Paw prints sparkles. Today, we're going to meet some of the most wonderful animals on Earth, like the tall giraffe, the strong tiger, the brave lion, the jumping kangaroo, and many more. Get ready to learn fun facts, explore the jungle, and enjoy the wild world of animals. So come on, let's begin our adventure together. A tiger is the largest wild cat. Every tiger has unique stripes like fingerprints. Tigers are great swimmers. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Only male lions have a big mane. Lions sleep for 18 to 20 hours a day. Leopards can run up to 58 kilometers per hour. They often carry their food up a tree. Leopards are excellent climbers. A giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Its tongue is about 45 centimeters long. Giraffes sleep only 10 to 20 minutes a day. Zebras' black and white stripes help keep them cool. Every zebra has a different stripe pattern. They can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. A camel is called the ship of the desert. It can live for days without water. The hump stores fat, not water. Kangaroos move by jumping and cannot walk backwards. They carry their babies in a pouch. A kangaroo can jump up to 3 meters high. Pandas love eating bamboo. They eat for 10 to 12 hours a day. Pandas love to roll and play. Elephants are the largest land animals. Their trunk helps them drink, breathe, and pick things up. Elephants have a very strong memory. Gorillas share 98% DNA with humans. They live in groups called troops. Gorillas mostly eat fruits, leaves, and plants.